Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 19th of March, 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, a consortium of Pakistan's leading wind energy producers has strongly rejected recent claims by the independent system and market operator. They claim that the systematic and unjustified curtailment of wind power plants, the nation's most affordable energy source at 14 rupees per unit, is pushing the renewable sector towards a severe financial crisis. The consortium dismissed ISEMO's recent media statements suggesting that curtailment is not occurring or is being effectively managed. It also criticized the current compensation mechanism for lost energy, describing it as fundamentally flawed and damaging project cash flows. India's solar module manufacturing capacity has reached 172.6 gigawatts. The figures are based on the approved list of models and manufacturers as of March 1, 2026. Similarly, India achieved 70 to 80% indigenisation in the wind sector, supported by a strong domestic ecosystem. The country's annual wind turbine manufacturing capacity stands at around 20 gigawatts compared to a domestic annual demand of 7 to 8 gigawatts. In addition, India has a 15 gigawatt annual manufacturing capacity for wind turbine blades. Some wind turbine blades use balsa wood in their structure. Balsa wood is both strong and lightweight. Balsa only grows in some tropical climates, and most of the world's balsa comes from Ecuador. Around 2020, however, a surge in demand for balsa outstripped Ecuador's supply and encouraged people to try to get balsa by illegal logging in the Amazon. But the main cause of deforestation in the Amazon is agricultural conversion of the land, not wind turbines or logging in general. There has not been any evidence of wind turbine supply companies being engaged in any illegal procurement of balsa wood, contrary to a false report earlier this week. Nearly half of the European Union's electricity generation came from renewable sources in 2025. It reached 47.3%, up slightly from 47.2% a year earlier. Wind power remained the largest contributor to renewable electricity, accounting for 37.5% of the total. That was followed by solar at 27.5% and hydropower at 25.9%. Solar power recorded the fastest growth among renewable sources, rising by 24.6% in 2025 compared with the previous year. In contrast, electricity generation from hydropower declined by 11.8%. The Institute of Technology and Renewable Energies and Renewables company Enel Green Power will assess the integration of multiple existing wind farms and ancillary assets into a single modernization project. They are seeking to improve efficiency and reduce visual impact, while streamlining permitting associated with new infrastructure. The proposed repowering would replace 28 aging wind turbines with 5 larger and more efficient units, with a combined capacity of up to 12.7 megawatts on the island of Tenerife. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.